Okay, we've got this log out of the woods, and it's on the mill. As you can see, it's roughly 12 inches on the small end, and as I've said many times, on the big end, it really doesn't matter. You're only going to get so much wood, and it's based on the small end, not the large end. Anyway, what I'm going to be milling out of this is some 3x4s. And you're probably wondering why 3x4, and primarily it's because a 4x3 is too big, but a 3x4 is exactly the size I need. So let's get started on that. As you can see, I have 6 really nice 3x4s, and what you can't see is that 4 of them are rotten and the other 2 are at very best mediocre. Just because milling this log was painful for me doesn't mean that you have to suffer through it also. That's why this video is so short. Anyway, thank you for joining me, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one.